Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Sunday, May 21st, 2023, 9:15 p.m. And what I have here is what I believe to be a Litex Signet Deluxe. And why do I have it at this angle, you might ask? I've always liked the way these looked on a high ceiling. So that's about it. The light kit works. And start up here. Start it on high. That didn't do it. There we go. When I was a kid, there was a place down the street that had where they stuff animals, taxidermy place, and there were 4 of these way up in a high ceiling. Used to love going in there. I don't know, 4 or 5 years old. They had once they had installed these. Remember, they had really long pull cords. So anyway, yeah, they was there about 10 years ago, maybe less than that, 7 or 8 years ago. They changed the whole place around, and it was and part of it was an office building. Part of it still had a bit of a warehouse in the back, and one of these was still hanging up there, covered in filth, which is why I didn't clean this one off. I kind of liked seeing that. And the building's long since been knocked down, but anyway, I want to thank you folks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel called The Fan Cave, and do like this if you did like it. And if not, then feel free to click unlike. Just make sure to do it twice to really teach me a lesson. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.